Hey everybody, Carl here from Abt. In this video, we're going to show you how to assemble and install the pedestal that comes with the 65-inch Q80C series TV from Samsung, so stay tuned. So first things first, you need all the parts that you're going to require to assemble the stand. So you have the neck piece here, that comes with a couple of bags of screws underneath. These are M4 by L14s. You have the base plate here, and then finally, you'll need to supply your own Phillips head screwdriver to assemble everything. Now we're just going to take those packets of screws off of the bottom here, and then we're going to flip this piece over, and you're going to take off the cord cover here. Now this, we've already done this to kind of loosen it up a little bit. It is pretty difficult to pull off of there the first time you do it, so just be patient, and it is probably going to take a little more effort than you think is necessary. It's not going to break. Just make sure you kind of really, you're going to have to get into it a little bit. Now we're going to take this piece that we just removed the plate from, and you'll see a cutout down here on the bottom, and then on the bottom plate here you'll see a little protrusion here, and those are going to match up, and everything's just going to slide into place. And when that's done properly, you should be able to look down and see straight through into the area where you're going to put the screws. And now we're just going to drop those screws in there and tighten those down. Now we're going to take the piece that we just assembled, and we're going to line up these two tabs at the top here with these two cutouts on the back of the TV. And then you're going to kind of slide it up and into place, and that'll just drop in. All the screw holes should line up. Again, you should be able to see right down into them, and that'll hold this in place. And now we're ready to put the final 4 screws in. Once you have the pedestal assembly attached to the back of the TV, now is the time you're going to lift it up and set the TV back down on the pedestal. Now that you have the TV sitting upright, this is the point where you're going to want to plug in all of your cables, your power cord, and then you're going to put this cable cover back onto the back plate here. And again, you're just going to line up these two tabs with these two holes. Those go in, and everything should just snap into place. And that's all there is to it. Thanks as always for watching, and stay tuned for more videos on the Q80C series from Samsung.